In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import data into Attio. If you're moving contacts from a spreadsheet or bringing records from another tool, this walkthrough will show you exactly what to click, what to watch out for, and how to finish confidently. First, log into your Attio account and open your Workspace. Make sure you have the right permissions to import data. If you're part of a team, it's a good idea to confirm which list or record type you're updating so everything lands in the right place. Next, head to Records. For this example, we'll use People, but the same flow applies to other record types like companies. Inside People, look for the Import CSV option and click it. This is the starting point for bringing your data into Attio. Now choose your file. Click. Choose a .csv file and select the spreadsheet you want to import. Attio only supports .csv files, so if your data is in another format, export or save it as CSV first. A quick prep tip: include clear column headers like first name, last name, email, and company. Remove blank rows, and make sure your dates and emails are consistently formatted. Clean input leads to a smoother import. With your file selected, click Next. You'll move into the review and mapping flow. When prompted, click Continue to proceed. Here, Attio reads your columns and tries to match them to people properties. Take a moment to ensure the key fields, especially email or another unique identifier, line up correctly. If something looks off, update your source file and reselect it before moving on, so your data ends up exactly where you expect. You'll see a checkbox acknowledging that this import may create duplicates. Check the box to confirm you understand. This is important because if a person already exists in your workspace, importing the same details again could create a second record. A best practice is to rely on unique identifiers like email to reduce duplicates and to keep your source CSV as tidy as possible. Click Continue Import to proceed. You may see another quick review screen. Click Continue once more to finalize your choices and preview the values Attio detected. If everything looks correct, you're ready for the final step. Click Start Import. Attio will process your file and show the progress. When it's done, open your People view and spot check a few records to confirm that names, emails, and related fields imported as intended. That's it. You've successfully imported data into Attio. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more.